What's up, America? Happy Independence Day. We're back here for my second video on my new YouTube channel. 4th of July. What else better than hamburgers and hot dogs? So we're gonna get started here on the griddle, and I'll keep you up to date. Here we go. All right, mushrooms are looking good. I'm gonna cover them back up and we'll get these burgers on here soon. All right, so got the burgers on. A lot of people do different spices and different things with their burgers. We like to put the Worcestershire sauce on ours. So I just pour a little bit on here, and then when I flip it over, I put it on the other side also. Gives it a nice flavor. All right, I know I said earlier we were doing some hamburgers and hot dogs, but these are actually some smoked sausage. My daughter doesn't care for the hot dog on the griddle, so she's gonna cook her hot dog inside, and I'm gonna make up some smoked sausage for the rest of us. All right, everyone, happy 4th of July. We got our burgers, cheeseburgers, and smoked sausage. So here we go. We're gonna go in and eat this. Thanks for checking out my channel, and hit subscribe. Thank you.